Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to look at Verasity and take a quick update on what we can see in our VRA charts. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. So guys, we are going to look at VRA daily chart, that is VRA USDT daily chart. There are some important levels that I want to show you. Guys, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much. So we are looking at VRA daily chart. The first thing that I see, which I also want you to observe, the dotted lines that you see or the dashed lines, the black dashed lines over here and over here. Basically, VRA is playing in this range since the beginning of 2021. So we are in one giant bullish pattern in my opinion, and we are playing beautifully in this range. And once we break out of this upper resistance, I expect VRA to create a massive move on the up. So to keep you in mind that on a higher time frame, or if when you zoom out, you can clearly see this range playing out. Now coming to the current scenario, currently on the daily, the most important price point right now for VRA, which it is holding very well, is at around 0.027 cents. This region, which you can see here very clearly, we have tested again and we have flipped it into support. During this recent Bitcoin crash, you can see VRA is getting good bounce from here. We can come and retest this again, but overall this is holding very well. It was a previous support which then became resistance. You can see over here, this was the previous support for a long time. We broke down finally in May, and then it took us almost 2 months to come back. So this breakout was also, which I had shared previously on Twitter, which we have successfully done. If you go and check my Twitter feed, I had shared with you this breakout, this range, that when we were down here, I had shared you this range and the target I had given you after the breakout. You just see how perfectly we have hit that target. So this is one wonderful breakout, and right now we are retesting, or we are consolidating rather than retesting. We are consolidating above our daily pivot, in my opinion, which is at around 0.027 dollars or 27 cents. So this region we are flipping into support, which was previous resistance. Also, if you see, then this also looks like a giant cup and handle to me, where this will become like a cup and this will become a handle. So which again is a very bullish pattern. And I had also tweeted this on Twitter. Let me go back. I had shared this resistance where VRA break this and we say hello to 10 cents. This is what I see as we break out of this giant cup and handle. I think what we will see after the breakout, or whenever we break, this is just assuming we break over here, we can break here also, we are going to almost 10 cents, and I expect that to happen very quickly once we break out of this range, because this is a cup and shoulder information, sorry, cup and handle information. Also, we will be breaking out of this year-long pattern. So these two can result into a massive breakout on the up. For immediate support and resistance, if we see, then currently the immediate resistance is at around 0.045, and the next immediate resistance will be at around 0.056, and the current support is at 0.027, and this entire region is now flipped into support, which is at around 0.016. I don't think we might go that low, but just to give you an entire picture, that this is flipped into support at around 16 cents. This entire region is flipped into support, and it now is acting as a very big support. In fact, we are flipping this region also into support at 0.027. So overall picture for Verasity is very bullish. The only scenario where we can expect or we can see some sell-off is if Bitcoin corrects, and that's why let us look at the Bitcoin chart also. Bitcoin currently, again, we are looking at a daily chart. And if you look at Bitcoin daily chart, its important price point right now is at around $44,900 range. Okay, this entire range, which is very important for Bitcoin to hold from 44,900 to $45,000 range. Unless and until we are holding it as support, which we are currently, you can see we are getting daily close above this support. There are wicks definitely below, but we have not got any daily close below this, which is bullish, and we are getting a good bounce from here. You can see over here multiple times we are testing this range, and we are holding, creating a new support over here. On the weekly, Bitcoin did give a bearish close. I had also tweeted this, because if we go on the weekly candle, then this is a bearish closing to me. And you can see this week also we've started with a red candle. So I am still expecting Bitcoin to either go sideways, or we can see some correction down. And I had also done a detailed Bitcoin analysis on this Friday or Thursday, I guess. You can go and check that, because in that I've given you very clear pictures on the daily and also on the weekly. So overall things are looking very good to me, honestly, because if I go on the monthly chart, then I'm seeing something amazing, which I will share on a different video. Do watch out that Bitcoin video, because that is very important, not just for Bitcoin, but also for all the altcoins and the overall crypto market. So on the daily, Bitcoin is looking good. It's consolidating above support. If at all we see some sell off or some another leg down, then this region I am expecting it to hold very well, which is at around 39,500 to $42,000 range. We can come down, we can retest this range, but this should hold well in my opinion. So I do not see any red signals or any major concern or dangers right now in the market. Overall, the structure is looking very good to me. So this was a quick update on Verasity. Let me also look at Verasity BTC chart, so we'll get the overall picture. So yeah, great. Just see that. This was the previous analysis. I have not changed anything. You can see over here, we are so getting support from this breakout. I had tweeted this also a few weeks back, that now this line that you see, let me change its color to say purple. This purple line that you see on the VRA BTC chart is now acting as support. We have flipped it into support, and which you can see very clearly. Since a lot of days, you can see we are retesting, and this purple line is holding as support, and this black line that you see is the major resistance. So even on the VRA Bitcoin pair, things are looking very good and very bullish to me overall. I am expecting VRA to pump amazingly in the Bitcoin pair too. So overall things are looking good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. This was a quick update on Verasity. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye bye.